If you're looking for a creative way to unwind and enjoy the satisfaction of making art, Paint by Numbers kits are an excellent choice. Designed for people of all ages and skill levels, these kits simplify the artistic process, letting you create stunning masterpieces without any prior experience. They're perfect for relaxing, enhancing your fine motor skills, and decorating your space with something you made yourself. Plus, each kit offers unique features to cater to different styles and preferences. Below, we'll explore 10 outstanding options available on Amazon, along with a bonus set of precision brushes to elevate your creative journey. Don't forget, the links for more details or to purchase are in the description. Let's get started. The Basic Paint by Numbers kit is a standout option for beginners and seasoned artists alike. Its vibrant color palettes and clearly marked canvas sections make it easy to follow, even if it's your first time painting. The high-quality acrylic paints provided are smooth, easy to apply, and long-lasting, ensuring your artwork remains vibrant over time. This kit includes durable brushes with ergonomic handles, so you can comfortably paint for hours without fatigue. The designs range from serene landscapes to intricate floral patterns, giving you plenty of choices to suit your taste. This kit is ideal for those who want to explore their creativity while producing a professional-looking result they'll be proud to display or gift. If you want to share the joy of painting, the 9-only 4-pack Paint by Numbers for Adults is perfect for group activities. It includes 4 unique designs, allowing you to paint alongside family or friends while expressing individual creativity. The non-toxic paints ensure safety for all ages, making it a fun and worry-free experience. The kit also features pre-stretched canvases, which are easier to manage and perfect for immediate display once completed. Whether you're hosting a painting night or looking for a thoughtful gift set, this kit fosters connection and creativity in equal measure. Plus, the variety of themes means there's something for everyone, from nature scenes to abstract art. For a more professional and intricate painting experience, the Amphal Paint by Numbers for Adults delivers in spades. Known for its meticulous designs, this kit challenges you to focus on details, enhancing your artistic precision and patience. The wrinkle-free canvas is printed with high-definition outlines, ensuring clarity as you paint. The paints are richly pigmented, reducing the need for multiple layers and making the colors pop vividly. This kit is perfect for art enthusiasts who want a project that feels like a step above the average Paint by Numbers kit. It's also an excellent choice for creating art pieces that can become the focal point of your home decor. The LWZ's Paint by Numbers for Adults offers an extensive variety of designs, from calming landscapes to bold abstracts, catering to a wide range of artistic preferences. The eco-friendly acrylic paints are vibrant and easy to blend, helping you achieve a smooth, polished look. The pre-assembled frame makes it effortless to start painting and display your work once finished. This kit stands out for its versatility and quality, making it an excellent option for both relaxation and improving your painting skills. Whether you want to unwind or challenge yourself, this kit ensures an enjoyable experience. If variety and user-friendliness are what you're after, the Hilson Paint by Numbers for Adults is a great pick. With its diverse themes, including floral arrangements, wildlife, and scenic views, it offers something for everyone. The paints dry quickly but are forgiving enough to allow adjustments, giving beginners the confidence to experiment. The kit includes premium brushes that maintain their shape even after multiple uses, ensuring precision and durability. It's a versatile kit that caters to hobbyists and those looking to add a personal touch to their home decor. The detailed instructions included make the process straightforward and enjoyable. Nature lovers will adore the Idazao Mountain Paint by Numbers for Adults, which captures the tranquility of majestic mountain scenes. The high-quality, non-fading paints ensure your artwork retains its beauty for years. This kit's precision cut sections make it simple to follow, even for beginners, while the included brushes allow for both broad strokes and fine detailing. It's a fantastic way to bring the outdoors inside and create a serene ambiance in your living space. Additionally, its eco-conscious materials make it a sustainable choice for environmentally minded artists. For those with a modern artistic flair, the Quite Due Paint by Numbers for Adults offers a range of abstract and contemporary designs. These kits challenge you to think creatively while providing clear guidance to ensure success. The bold and unique color schemes make your finished artwork stand out as a conversation piece. It's perfect for anyone looking to experiment with modern art styles while enjoying the therapeutic benefits of painting. This kit is particularly well suited for those seeking to add a splash of color and personality to their walls. Elegance meets creativity with the Ginkgo Paint by Numbers for Adults, which features delicate and sophisticated designs. The soft pastel tones and intricate patterns create timeless pieces that blend seamlessly with any decor. This kit's superior quality materials ensure that even intricate areas are easy to manage, making it an enjoyable project for all skill levels. Whether you're creating art for yourself or as a heartfelt gift, this kit guarantees a stunning final result. The thoughtful design of this kit makes it an excellent addition to any artist's collection. The Kayuden Paint by Numbers for Adults is for those who love bold, expressive art. The vibrant paints and dynamic designs make your artwork truly pop. The user-friendly canvas is printed with high-definition outlines, ensuring clarity as you work through complex sections. This kit is ideal for individuals who want to create art that makes a statement. Whether it's a striking animal portrait or a vivid landscape, your completed piece will be a showstopper in any setting. Lastly, the Yangtze Paint by Numbers for Adults Beginners. 2-pack offers great value and variety. With 2 unique designs, it's perfect for beginners who want to practice and experiment with different techniques. The clear instructions and pre-marked canvas ensure a frustration-free experience. The high-quality paints and brushes make it easy to achieve impressive results, even if you're new to painting. This kit is a fantastic choice for those starting their artistic journey or looking for a thoughtful gift. To enhance your painting experience, the Detailing Paintbrush 11PC set is a must-have. These fine-tipped brushes allow for precise detailing, helping you bring out the best in your artwork. They're especially useful for intricate designs in areas that require extra attention to detail. Made with durable bristles and comfortable handles, these brushes provide excellent control and longevity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, they're a valuable addition to your toolkit. In summary, Paint by Numbers kits offer a unique combination of creativity, relaxation, and personal expression. They allow you to create artwork that is both meaningful and visually stunning, regardless of your skill level. For beginners, the Yangtze or Bayezid kits provide a perfect introduction to painting, offering straightforward instructions and high-quality materials. If you're looking for a more intricate and professional experience, the Ampholl or Ginkgo kits are excellent choices. For modern art lovers, the Quite Due kit offers a fresh and bold approach. Finally, the Detailing Paintbrush set adds precision and finesse to any project, elevating your artistic capabilities. Whatever your choice, these kits are more than just a pastime. They're an investment in creativity and mindfulness. Remember, the links to explore prices or purchase are in the description. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more. See you in the next video.